Hello, friends. Many people wonder if their rough stone is a real diamond or just a fake crystal. One of the simple tests you can try at home is the fire test. Diamonds are one of the hardest natural materials on Earth and can withstand extreme heat. Let's see how this test works. Step-by-step fire test for raw diamonds. 1. Clean the stone. Use a soft cloth to remove any dust or oil. 2. Hold the stone safely. Use metal tweezers or pliers to avoid burning your fingers. 3. Apply fire. Place the stone directly in the flame of a lighter, candle, or torch for about 30 to 40 seconds. 4. Drop it in cold water. Immediately place the hot stone into a glass of cold water. Expected results. Real diamond. A genuine diamond will not be damaged. It will remain shiny, clear, and unchanged. Diamonds can resist very high temperatures, over 3,500 degrees, to melt. Fake stones, glass, quartz, CZ. These materials usually crack, shatter, or change color when exposed to sudden heating and cooling. Important notes. Always be careful when using fire at home. This test is not 100% reliable on its own. Combine it with other tests like the scratch test on glass, fog test, or magnification check. For absolute certainty, consult a certified gemologist.